Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us understand how to calculate this problem. I request you to pause the video first so that you can read it out the question, then start the solution. So in this problem they have given you two companies, P Limited and Q Limited. We'll start with the working notes. Sales minus variable equal to contribution. So sales is given 3 lakh, variable cost is given 2 lakh, so our contribution is 1 lakh. For Q Limited, sales is 3 lakh, variable cost is 2,25,000, our contribution is 75,000. So you are required to calculate A, profit volume ratio, break even point and margin of safety of each business. Let us start with the PV ratio. The formula for PV ratio is contribution divided by sales into 100. P Limited contribution we have calculated just now, 1 lakh divided by sales 3 lakh, which is given in the question, into 100. Same for Q Limited, 75,000 is your contribution divided by 3 lakh into 100. So for P Limited, 33.33%, for Q Limited 25%, our PV ratio. Then break even point in sales. The formula for break even point in sales is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So simultaneously again we are going to do for both the companies P and Q. For P Limited, fixed cost is 50,000 divided by PV ratio 33.33 into 100. To remove that percentage we need to multiply with 100. So into 100. Q Limited, same. $25,000 by 25 into 100. Remove that percentage, by mistake I have written. So do it in your calculator, you'll get an answer. For P Limited, it's 1,50,000, and for Q Limited, it's 1 lakh. So break even point is such a point in a business where company neither earning a profit not bearing a losses also. So minimum company have to make a sales of 1,50,000 in P Limited and Q Limited is 1 lakh. Above that it will be a profit for a company. If they are making a sales of below 1,50,000 for P Limited, then they will have a losses. Then next is margin of safety. Formula for margin of safety is total sales minus sales at BEP. P Limited total sales is 3 lakh minus sales at BEP is 1,50,000. So margin of safety is 1,50,000. Q Limited total sales 3 lakh. This is given in the question, sales is given, so I'm taking the same number, 3 lakh minus 1 lakh. So 2 lakh for Q Limited. So we have calculated PV, break even and margin of safety MOS for both the companies. Now second point B, we need to find sales to earn a profit of 30,000. Basically if you want to earn a profit of 30,000, how much sales we need to do? Second one, state the volume at. So formula for this is sales equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. As it is, you have to write sales, substitute in the formula numbers. Sales we need to find out, so sales as it is, write it down, equal to fixed cost 50,000, desired profit is 30,000 by PV ratio, 33.33 into 100. Because it is in a percentage, so that's why I'm multiplying with 100. So the sales is 2,40,000. So they need to generate sales for 2,40,000 to earn a profit of 30,000. Same for Q Limited also. Same formula, just substitute in the formula all the numbers, you'll get an answer. Sales equal to 25,000, fixed cost is 25,000 plus 30,000 is your desired profit by PV ratio is 25 into 100. 2,20,000. Then C point, we need to give the reason for this. Okay, when there is a heavy demand and low demand of the product, how it is going to affect to the profit. So basically it's an advantage to the business if it has a lower variable cost. So which business have lower variable cost? P Limited has higher fixed cost 50,000 but lower variable cost 2 lakh, right? It has lower variable cost. Which business? P Limited. So when we have a lower variable cost, as when demand increase, we are going to purchase in a bulk quantity. When we purchase in bulk quantity, we'll get a discount from supplier. That leads to the more lower variable cost and gives us a higher return in, higher profits. So P Limited will likely to earn a greater profit when heavy demand. When demand is low, will not purchase in a bulk quantity. Okay, and as it does not have much effect on variable cost, so variable cost is going to be similar, but as our fixed cost is lower, we can earn a sustainable profit over here. So Q Limited with a lower fixed cost gives us a sustainable profit when demand is low. So demand is low, will not purchase in bulk quantity, it will not have much effect on variable cost, but fixed cost is less. This will help us to earn a sustainable profit in our business. So our conclusion is, under heavy demand, P Limited is going to earn a greater profit. Under low demand, Q Limited will have a sustainable profit. I hope you have understood how to calculate this. I'm trying to fix this in a screen so that you can take a screenshot and make a practice of it. Enjoy learning. This is an important question for examination point of view. Make sure you're doing a lot of practice. Thank you.